In this video, I'll show you how to see connected apps in Google Gemini. First, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by opening your device's App Store, searching for Gemini, and installing any available updates. Once the app is updated, open Gemini and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Apps or Connected Apps, depending on your version of Gemini. Here, you'll see a list of apps and services that are connected to your Gemini account. You can review these connections and manage them as needed. This is a great way to review your account settings and manage which services can interact with Gemini. And that's how you can see connected apps in Google Gemini. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.